Assalamu alaikum students. Today I'm here with exercise 8A question number 11. So we have to understand what is the question number 11 first of all in the book, and then we move towards the solution. Okay ji, the question number 11 that we have in the figure DOB is a straight line. Okay, you have to observe this figure. Okay, in this figure the straight line DOB is a straight line. If BOC is twice of AOB, BOC, this one is twice of AOB. That's mean that whatever the value of AOB, BOC is twice of that. So first of all, you have to observe that do you have any value or do you have any angle of AOB? Yes. No, you don't have any angle of the AOB. So first of all, you have to assume any variable here. So you can then twice of that variable for BOC. Then next is COD is 4 times of AOB. COD is 4 times of AOB. Again, this COD is going to be referred to the angle AOB. So that's mean you have to consider your AOB firstly, then take 4 times of that for the COD. And the last is DOA is 5 times of AOB, then find the 4 angles, and you have to find all 4 angles. So first of all, here I just assume AOB, because in all the parts BOC is also referred to AOB, DOC is also referred for the AOB, and AOD is also referred to AOB. So first of all you have to consider AOB. सारे क्वेश्चन में आपका हर क्वेश्चन जो रेफर करे वो ए और बी पे करे, ए और बी का ट्वाइस, ए और बी का थ्राइस, ए और बी का 4 टाइम, ए और बी का 5 टाइम्स. तो इसलिए हमें ज़रूरी है कि सबसे पहले ए और बी को हम कुछ भी ज्यूम कर लें, हमारे पास ए और बी की वैल्यू नहीं. Okay, Ji, I just draw the figure of the question number 11 on the board. Now we start the question. As the figure, all the angles are referred towards the angle AOB. Okay? The angle BOC is twice of that. The angle COD is 4 times of AOB. And DOA is 5 times of AOB. So what is the angle of AOB? There is no any angle of the AOB. So I just consider here the value of AOB x. I just assume or let's suppose the angle. So that's why we find out all the other angles. Now, BOC is twice of A of x. Twice means 2 times. 2 times, okay? So that's mean BOC is twice of AOB. Twice means double of AOB. So that will become x, 2x. COD is 4 times of AOB. COD is 4 times, just 4 times. COD is 4 times of AOB. So 4 times, yani ke 4 of 4 times of AOB. What is the value of AOB? X. 4 times of AOB, so 4x. 5 times of AOB means 5x. And the value of DOA is 5 times of AOB. So that's mean 5 of x. ठीक है, यानी कि आपके पास क्या था, they just refer each and every angle towards the AOB. 5 times of 2 times of 3 times of AOB. So you have to consider your AOB's value. Okay, you have to write down the value of A of B according to the required one, 2 times, 4 times, or 5 times. So this is the value that we have considered for the bigger figure, for this figure. Now we just have to write down the angle. That's mean AOB. AOB here is x. Then BOC is equal to 2x. COD is equal to 4x, and DOA is equal to 5x. So I just write down the 4 figures here. Now what is need to do, we have to find out this value, unknown variable x, and after know this value or find out the value of x, we have to put this value in all the figures, so we get a constant angle of these angles, constant value of these angles. So by using the property of straight line, here I have the straight line DOB. I am considering this straight line. The sum of the angles on a straight line is equal to 180. This is the property of the angles on a straight line. So by using this property, we find out the value of x. So I am going to consider this straight line. On this straight line, I have the angle DOA and BOA. I am considering these one angles, this semicircle. Okay? So we have the angles 5x and the other angle value is x. Okay? Straight line. I am considering this straight line and the angles in this direction. Okay? I am just considering these straight line angles. these two angles, sum of these two angles is equal to 180. Here we just use the property of a straight line. Now at the variable 5 plus 1 is equal to 6x is equal to 180. Remove this coefficient, so you have to divide this coefficient on both sides. X is equal to 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18 and 0. So we have the value of x 30 degree. Here your x is AOB, so that means your angle AOB is equal to 30 degree. Okay? So from here you have to get your angle AOB. Now we know that the BOC is twice of this, COD is 4 times of this. So you have to just put out the values now. BOC is equal to 2x. So you have to put out the value of x here. 2 into what is the value of x? That is 30. You have to put out the value here. 2 0 0, 2 6 are 3 are 6. So your angle BOC is 60. Then the next angle is COD. COD is equal to 4x. ठीक है? Okay जी. So what is the value of x? The value of x, that is 30. So you have to multiply. For 0s are 0, for 3s are 12. So that's mean angle COD is equal to 120. Here we get the value of the third angle. Here we have the value of the second angle, and the first one is this. Okay, 1 2 3. Now the last is DOA. Angle DOA is equal to 5x. So again we have to put out the value of x, that is 30. 5 0s are 0, 5 3s are 15. So your angle DOA is equal to 150. So this is done with this question. I hope so you have to understand this question, but still if you have any problem, आपको कोई भी problem हो, query हो, so you can ask freely in the comment box. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.